Hi, today's video is another unboxing, so I hope you stick around and watch. First off, I wanted to say thank you for your time, thanks for stopping by, thanks for coming back, and thank you for watching. My name is Lisa, as in Lisa Loves Bags, and it's clear that I do. Most of my collection is Louis Vuitton, but I have some Chanel, a Christian Louboutin, and some other brands mixed in, and I hope you like my channel enough to push that subscribe button. Now that the housekeeping is out of the way, let's get to the good stuff. I pre-ordered this bag. Today was the first day of the price increase, but I beat it because I pre-ordered this bag about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and no, 4 or 5 weeks ago, and it was my Christmas gift from my husband. So, of course, on Christmas, it wasn't available, so I wouldn't say I got a lump of coal, but I didn't get a gift from him on Christmas Day other than love, time, and attention, which was pretty much all I needed that day anyway. But today, after work, I went down to Ala and there she is. And in the bag is, the huge Louis Vuitton. Oh, the huge Louis Vuitton box, and my box is completely empty except for the dust bag and some bubble wrap, because I ended up leaving the bag that I had on me there for repair, and then I wore my brand new bag home. So let me introduce to you the Louis Vuitton 1854 Speedy. Isn't she gorgeous? And I took my charm off my other bag and put it on for decoration. There we go. Isn't she beautiful? When I saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, she's so stinking cute. But I have a blue Speedy. And I thought they'd be too similar. And I don't think that anymore. Once I saw it in person, I got over the whole, you have a blue Speedy, it's going to be too similar. I even thought that one was going to be a little too similar. Totally different bags. And then I thought, oh no, you have more than two blue Speedies. Completely different bag. Completely. I would say the Amazon blue is definitely the most similar, because they are similar in size. I think the Amazon Blue Speedy is about that much smaller. But this one, the 1854, there's something about that jacquard or jacquard material. It just feels amazing. And not only do I love this bag, I love the Neverfull. But luckily for my wallet, the Neverfull is in an MM size, and I basically need the GM size. So I'm safe right there. But that Neverfull, I suggest you go see it for yourself and touch it. So it's awesome. Even the toiletry is gorgeous. It really is. But I had just told a friend, you can punch me in the lip if I get another clutch. So, no, I'm not going to get another clutch that I'm not going to use. So, not right. No, I'm just not going to get another clutch. So, that's that. And on the inside, she is a very unusual material on the inside. It's like it's not suede, and it's not a microfiber. It's something else. It's gorgeous though. And inside the pouch was I'm sure that's the lock and the keys. I didn't even bother to open it in the store. But inside, since it is my bag of the day, I might as well show you, is my reverse monogram and monogram card holder, my 6-ring key holder, my mini pochette, my business card holder which I'm using for cash and cards, a hand sanitizer, my headphones, my Louis Vuitton Sunnies. These are the um, aviators that you always see me with. And a reminder note that I've had in my purse all week long and I still haven't done it. I need to just put it in my agenda. That way I'll just get her done. But I haven't done that yet either. So there you go. But the opening, she's a little small, but she's a 25. So, you know, you're going to expect a smaller opening. There we go. She is just completely beautiful. And there's something about that pre-treated leather. I think that gives the bag a whole nother look. I'm glad they didn't go with that white leather so that you could have to, you know, tan it yourself. I'm glad they went with pre-treated. And this was just icing on the cake. Not only is it pre-treated, it's actually long enough for me to do crossbody, which I can't say that about any other Louis Vuitton bag other than this one. I'm impressed. I'm actually impressed. I really am. She's such a gorgeous bag. My awesome essay had her pre-stuffed with bubble wrap so that when I picked her up, she was already perfect. And she's just a completely beautiful bag. Completely beautiful. I am very happy. I thought I would be a little funny about her because she's 30 is my favorite size. Just hands down, 30 is my favorite size. But she is a 25. So be mindful of that if you really like a 30. But she is, where is it? It just says Louis Vuitton Paris on it. It doesn't say anything else, so I'm not sure. And you know, I pretty much don't care where it's made. I honestly don't. And that was my pickup of the day, as well as this. So this is one of those. Kara from Relax I've Had Coffee and I were chatting, and she was like, get it, get it, get it, get it, you know. And I thought about it and I said, well, let me go look at the cosmetic pouch, which I really liked too. Then I saw the toiletry in person and I was like, oh, that's great. Then I saw the Neverfull in person and I was like, oh my gosh. And I stood there for a minute and I said, let me see the bag charm. And I had already had my essay pulled onto the side for me so that I could take a look. And there she is. Isn't she pretty? And I love that the back is Vachetta. I'm thinking about having her heat stamp with just the Hawaii flower instead of anything else. I thought about doing maybe just LV or maybe, I don't know, something else. But I think I'm just going to take her back and get the flower heat stamp on. But I'm not sure. But I will keep you updated. So I think that, to be honest, it's too matchy-matchy to have this charm on this bag. And I love a matchy-matchy, but I think it's a little overkilly. So she's definitely going to have to be on either a different bag or something else. I'll figure something out, but yeah. Isn't she beautiful? I hope she's focusing. Okay. So there we go. And that was my Christmas gift. My pickup, my 1854 reveal, and my weekend trip to the mall. I hope you have an awesome weekend. I hope that you were kind. I hope that you push the subscribe button. I hope that you go and take a look at that Neverfull because, gosh, she is gorgeous. That Neverfull, I think that's going to be a bag I'm going to have to go back and take another look at. She's gorgeous. The size is wrong for me, but she's just a beautiful bag. Just beautiful. I wouldn't trade my Speedy for it because I am definitely a speeding girl, but she's going to make a great addition to someone's collection. Definitely go check her out. So I will not ramble, not this time. Stay safe, stay kind, have a great weekend. Aloha.